Ciao lovelies, it's Lunaria here, and today I'm going to show you guys a AGERE craft, like a DIY craft for Valentine's Day that is super easy and it is super fun to make, so let's get started. So all you need is construction paper in the colors you want, a pair of scissors, and a stapler, and that's it. Like I said, super simple, but it will turn out super cute as well, which is nice because, you know, it's always good when stuff can be cute. So first thing you're going to do is grab one of your colors of construction paper and cut a strip from it. Try to make sure the strip of paper is mostly the same size all the way over, because you're going to want something like that, right? So then, what you're going to do, there are different ways to make a heart paper chain, but the way I'm going to do it is a little bit different. So first, I'm going to fold this in half. That's going to be the bottom. And then I'm going to curl these over into a heart shape, like so. And you can crease the paper if it would make it easier for you. And then you're gonna staple where that makes the heart. So you're gonna take your stapler, I have my tiny one, and you're just gonna and you have a paper heart. Super simple. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep making these in different colors. And the way that you're going to make this into a chain, I'll show you by showing you how I make the second one. So, do the same step. So cut out your strip of paper. I don't know why my scissors are, I have the small scissors today, I'm not really sure why. Cut out your strip of paper for your second heart. Repeat the process, crease the bottom, and then what you're going to do is you're going to loop this through the other heart before you do anything with it. So that way it's a chain, and then you're going to repeat just like you did the other time. So you're going to take your stapler, and you're going to staple top of the heart. So far you should have a couple of hearts. You have this one, and then of course there's this one, and you just keep doing this. You can make the chain as long as you want. You can do different color combinations, which would also be cute. You could decorate each heart with stickers or rhinestones or something, but I thought this would be a cute craft for Valentine's Day. It's something that you can make, and it's not super complicated, but it's a nice thing that you can make for somebody in your life as a fun gesture. So I don't know, I thought it would be cute. I will be back via the magic of editing with a completed one so you guys can see what I made. So here's what I did with mine. I hung it up underneath the shelf of my Miku figures, and I hung it up with some clothespins. So let me step back a bit so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So yeah, it's a cute little heart-shaped garland made out of paper. So thank you lovely so much for watching, and please remember to like this video if you liked it, comment down below if you want to see something specific or if you just have feedback. Subscribe if you haven't already. I make content that is kawaii, AGERE, DIY, lifestyle, all that good stuff. And now I can get to the important part of the video where I get to tell you to stay awesome and love yourself. Make sure that you treat yourself well, and you can be your own Valentine, because self-love is truly, 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 truly important. So, thank you lovely so much for watching, and stay awesome, and remember to love yourself. And I will see you in the next video, post, or whatever comes next. So, bye lovelies!